Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious Belgian waffles that are gluten-free, fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. We'll be making a batch of about 12 to 15 waffles. Let's dive into the recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of gluten-free flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 large eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of salt. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, sugar, cinnamon, and salt. In a medium bowl, separate the egg whites. Beat the egg whites with a hand mixer until stiff peaks form, then set aside. In another medium bowl, mix the egg yolks, vegetable oil, milk, and vanilla extract. Add the egg yolk mixture to the dry ingredients and mix well. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. We'll be sharing a variety of delicious dishes, so make sure you stay updated on the next video. Now let's continue. Fold in the egg whites gently, making sure not to deflate them. For your convenience, I'll also be sharing the ingredients and steps in the description below, so you can easily follow along at home. Preheat the waffle iron and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Pour the batter into the hot waffle iron and cook according to the manufacturer's directions. Once the iron light goes green, the waffles are ready to serve. Today I'm using maple syrup, but you can serve with your favorite toppings like butter, powdered sugar, whipping cream, or fresh fruit. And there you have it, delicious Belgian waffles that are sure to impress your friends and family. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Happy waffle making!